First up, look at this. I have an electric fireplace. I have two of these. This one's so cute. It's very Parisian. I have a kitty under the tree. And then this thing is so good. So it's actually, you can turn it on or off. You can use the heat mode. This actually makes it so it's hot or not. And then you have the logs if you want them to be lighter or less bright, up to you. And there's a timer too. So super cool. This also has, I have the heat mode off because I'm in Florida and it's like 80 degrees, but you can put that heat mode on if you would like. But this is so cute, very Parisian. It is under 600. It's 565, I believe. And it just makes the house a home. So beautiful. Love a electric fireplace. We are going into colder months, so it's a good time to grab one. And you literally you have a remote with this one. I also have another one I'm going to show you in a second in the living room, but it comes with a remote. It's very easy to use, you know, turn it on or off. You can set a timer, all the things. So easy. This one's very French, old school looking with like the columns and little emblem here. But I'll show you the other one. It's a little more modern. So there's that one. And then up here, we're going to go out into the living room. And I'm going to show you this one. I do have boxes. These are actually not diapers right now. We literally use his diaper, my son's diaper boxes, and we make little windows and doors, and we do a little car wash with his cars with the diaper boxes. So anyway, this is the more modern, look how big this TV is. This is the more modern version of the fireplace. It's gorgeous. It's SCI Furniture Canyon Company, and it's gorgeous. Again, this one also gives off heat. You have that timer. You have different options, but you can also just, if you lose a remote, you can go right up here, just like the other one. Press this button, this will open, and you have all of your things here. The timer, the light, the temperature, how bright you want these logs to go, you know, all the way down, all the way up. Now, it's obviously daylight here, but at night, that lights up really bright, and there's the on and off. So this is an actual vent here, so this does give off heat. So if you live somewhere cold, you can have that on in the winter, whenever, and it's so nice. I've also linked up a couple of my beautiful mirrors. So I love this style mirror where it's very just kind of antique looking and beautiful. I just think they're so pretty. Hi, this is me. I am not dressed, just in a t-shirt and leggings, just got back from lunch, but just wanted to do a little tour of my house and some goodies that I'm loving in here. And also the Yankee candle is on deal. I actually did a live earlier. Here's the reminiscence of that. And I have this Yankee candle that's on sale. So good, you guys, it's 40% off. This one smells so good. I always say this smells like a man fresh out of the shower with his cologne on. It smells so good. But they have so many candles right now on deal from Yankee, which is really exciting. So I also have my Christmas branches on sale. Look at these doggies. Look at these Christmas branches. Hold on, let me look at this. Look at this. Gorgeous branches here. These are beautiful. They're on deal for $42. You get 16 pieces. Comes with this gorgeous vase. Oh my God. So good. You also have my rug today. Look at this rug. It's huge. It's thick. It's gorgeous. $3.49. Great deal. I actually got this rug because I have a 2-year-old, but when he was about 1, I just was like, you know what? I need a really cozy rug. If he falls, he is safe. And this was it. And I just fell in love with this rug. It's so cushy. It's so soft and cozy. And we just love it so much. So I've linked up my velvet pillow covers that are all over my couch. You can see I have the pack of 2 in brown linked up, which is this one here for $26 in the Eurosham. These are just so soft and so good. I've also got them in black and gray with the stripes. And then I also even have green. So I really just love a velvet pillow cover. Even like right now, they're haphazardly just laying here because I have dogs and, you know, life, but they're just so pretty. I love a big soft pillow, especially velvet. And of course, I've linked up my dining table, which I know it's a hot mess right now. I do have a 2-year-old with his high chair and then his like coloring books right here, but this table, so I have it on the small version. This actually, there's another insert that you can put in the middle. It's very easy. You just flip the table over and it extends, and you can extend this and it gets a lot bigger. And I also have linked up my bedside tables. They're 2 for $175 today, actually on a Black Friday deal. And I'll just show you one of them really quick here, which it's kind of a mess, but here it is. This is just real life. You know what? I have a 2-year-old and I'm a single mom, and this is my real life. That's why some people just reach out to me and say, I like that you're real on here. So this is real life. And it's just a really nice table. So the Dyson's also on deal today. My Keurig machine's on deal. And then I'm going to go back to this fireplace because it's so good. It's $565. It's a great deal. I'll get the baby bottle out of the way. Very Parisian chic, very cute. I mean, so good. Isn't that gorgeous? This is $565. It's an electric fireplace. It's just so good. I'm obsessed. We have the on and off switch, the heat, the temperature, the timer, and you can also light the logs lighter or not. And there's a vent. You can actually give off heat with this bad boy, or you cannot. It just, it's up to you. I actually made that painting myself, not for sale. But yeah, I love electric fireplaces. They just literally make the house a home.